Now, let's begin with IEP goals. Goal number 1, English, Language Arts, and Reading, accepted by committee academic. By the end of 36 instructional weeks, when given verbal, visual, hand-over-hand, and model prompts, Geronimo will increase vocabulary comprehension skills by identifying the function of common objects 70% of the time. Objectives. By the end of 9 instructional weeks, when given verbal, visual, model, and prompts, Geronimo will increase vocabulary comprehension skills by identifying the function of 7 common objects: remote, chair, hat, book, shampoo, pencil, toothbrush, and toothpaste, 70% of the time. On a separate sheet of paper, Geronimo will answer these questions. Number 1. What is a chair used for? A. Sitting. B. Sleeping. C. Jumping. Number 2. Is toothpaste used for your hair? True or false? Number 3. What is a toothbrush used for? A. Cleaning toys. B. Teeth. C. Shoes. Number 4. What is the pencil used for? A. Throwing. B. Writing. C. Breaking. Number 5. A hat is used for wearing on your feet. True or false? Number 6. The book is used for reading. True or false? Number 7. The shampoo is used for what? A. Washing hair, or B. Washing clothes. And lastly, number 8. The television remote is used to turn on a car. True or false? Now, let's move over to goal number 2. By the end of 36 instructional weeks, when given verbal, visual, hand-over-hand, and model prompts, Geronimo will sort pictures, objects into categories with 70% accuracy. Objectives. By the end of 9 instructional weeks, when given adult modeling and a choice of up to 6 pictures, objects in the categories of clothes and transportation, Geronimo will sort the pictures, objects by category with 70% accuracy. For this goal, clothes and transportation will be switched out with animals. Let's move on to IEP goal number 2. You can refer back to last Thursday's IEP goals video to look back into the farm animals and the ocean animals. Number 1. Circle all the farm animals mentioned below: the cow, the horse, pig, the fish, and the dolphin. Which of these are farm animals? Number 2. Circle all the ocean animals mentioned below: the seal, the crab, the whale, the goat, and the chicken. Which of these are ocean animals? Number 3. Turkeys are farm animals. True or false? Number 4. Ducks are ocean animals. True or false? Sorry for that. Number 5, fish or farm animals. True or false? Reminder, on a separate sheet of paper, answer all these questions, take a picture, send them through me via WhatsApp or messages, and I will upload to your IEP file. Thank you.